Small PPT tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a small PPT. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Small PPT, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Small PPT, it is an AI-powered presentation platform designed to help users create professional and visually appealing PowerPoint presentations quickly and efficiently. And the platform uses artificial intelligence to transform simple topics, outlines, text documents, URLs, or uploaded files into fully structured slide decks with minimal manual effort, in which it offers a wide range of professionally designed templates for businesses, education, marketing technology, and other purposes, allowing users to customize presentations according to their needs. So now to create an account, you can simply click the link in the description, or alternatively click the Start for Free button on the top right corner. Well, in terms of pricing, here is the plan that they offer, with the corresponding prices and lists of benefits or feature including on each plan. And now after choosing the right plan for you, you can start for free also, and after signing in, you will be directed on this homepage or the dashboard of Small PPT. On the left side panel, as you can see, we're currently under AI slides. It will show us in here where we can start generate our own PowerPoint by importing file, importing URL, or even pasting here the text. And also, you can simply generate by simply choosing here the number of card or slide you want, your language and audience preferences as well. Moving on to AI Writer, you can start writing here an essay or report article by simply entering here a keyword or topic, in which it is designed to assist user in generating a high-quality written content quickly and efficiently by choosing here the target audience, if you're, for example, normal investors, and many more, and even the right model for you. We also have here this AI Summarizer, in which it is a powered tool that helps user condense lengthy text into shorter, clear, and easy to understand summaries. It analyzes the main ideas, key points, and even the important information from articles, reports, research papers, meeting notes, documents, and other written materials. You can simply choose here also the right AI for you. We have here Gemini and OpenAI. You could also choose to write text, enter a URL, or even upload the PDF or file documents. Now aside from that, you can even navigate on the left side panel this AI chat feature in Small PPT, which is an interactive conversational assistant that enables user to communicate with artificial intelligence in real time. It can answer questions, provide explanation, generate ideas, assist with research, solve problems, and support various writing and content creation tasks. And now aside from that, we also have here this AI PDF feature, in which it is a document processing tool that allows user to interact and analyze PDF files more efficiently. Give you an option to merge PDF, split PDF, watermark PDF, convert PDF to JPG, and many more, in which this kind of feature is particularly useful for reviewing research paper, business reports, and academic materials, and other lengthy documents. Now aside from that, you can even navigate to use on the left side panel this AI mind map, in which it is an AI powered tools also that help user visually organize ideas, concepts, and information into structured mind maps. By entering the topic, keyword, or text content, the AI automatically generates a hierarchical diagram that illustrates relationship between main ideas and supporting details. So you can even start customizing it on the right side panel on the editing tools of it. Now aside from that, if you want to share this to your team, you can click the teamwork option and you can create now and start sharing with your team by entering here their email address. Moving on under teams, you can even create a new team by clicking new team also on the top right corner and choose the right kind of color palette in here that you prefer, and it will show you the preview of what it looks like on the right side panel. You can customize the layout, the design, and many more. And even here, the font style, you can simply choose, for example, this one. Aside from that, you can even choose the color palette that you prefer. In here, put the border, the fill, the opacity, and upload the logo from here. So for instance, I'm just going to simply upload here a random logo, which is this one, and click the continue button. Once done, you could even add a title in here, the link, the team name. So for this team, I'm just going to simply enter sample 1 and click finish button. Once done, as you can see, we are now successfully created the number 1 or sample team 1. in which it basically allows user to customize the visual appearance and design of their presentation through professionally designed templates and style options. So now going back to AI slides, we can start generating a PowerPoint presentation by entering here the presentation title below or even the topic or keyword. So for instance, in here, I'm just going to simply enter step-by-step process on writing research paper. You can even choose the number of slide in here, your target audience, the languages, the text length, and a kind of model you prefer, which is either OpenAI or Gemini AI in here. For the audience, I'm going to choose here, as an example, students or teachers. For the languages, I'm going to choose English as an example. For the text length, I'm going to make this short sentences only and use OpenAI. So once done, just click generate button to proceed, and it will show you in here that the AI is now currently thinking or creating, having here the outline below. You have an option also to start customizing by clicking the pencil icon on the right side panel of it. And in here, it will show you to choose your slide workflow. I'm going to choose the instant slide. Then choose here the right kind of theme or template for you. I'm going to choose, for example, this marketing, but you could also choose different kind of categories. However, you must have an upgrade account to use some of those kind of template. But in here, I'm just going to simply choose the free one that is offered in here by Smallppt. I'm going to choose this modern minimalism, which is business presentation 10. You can choose to click this generate my presentation, and it will automatically show you in here that your presentation or PowerPoint presentation is now being created. All you need to do is to wait for it to load, since it might take some time in creating. But however, as you can see, it is now currently created everything in here. If you're the slide 1, where you could also start customizing everything from here, including their images, the context, the background, the title page, and many more. You can even make this colored and any other kind of option to add element in here. If you want the text to make it bold, italic, change the font style, make it subtitle, and even change the position a bit, you can do so by navigating or simply clicking any of the elements that you can find. You could also move on to the other kind of slide in order to start customizing the same way on how we can start customizing this title page. You have the option to choose the design, the color palette, and even the animation, or even upload your own media files in here if you want to. As you can see, I'm currently customizing these images of the building. So if you also want to make this colored, you can simply click on the elements of the building and change the color palette of it. And to add more elements or start customizing everything, you could also navigate the right side panel editing tools in doing so. Once done, you can click the download button on the top right corner or simply save it successfully. And now that we know some of the features that are offered by Smallppt, we can say that it is important because it simplifies the process of creating a professional and visually appealing presentation through the use of artificial intelligence. It helps users save significant time and effort by automatically generating slide content, design, summaries, and visual structure with simple inputs. And overall, that is just basically how you can use Smallppt. Thank you.